Hey dudes, welcome to another video in which we'll keep practicing the English language. And today's topic is my daily routine. Believe it or not, it's very common to talk about it. So let's start. We will follow 3 simple tips to do this activity. As we know, we have a lot of activities that we do during the day, so it's recommended to follow a sequence. Therefore, the first step says, use transition words. For example, you can use first of all, secondly, then, next, after that, furthermore, in addition, later, moreover, besides, finally. Then describe the main activities and use the simple present tense. Let's start. Here we have our first transition word. It says first of all. Now let's look at the picture and describe the activity. Our first picture says, I get up at 5:30 when the alarm clock rings. Now, let's continue with the next transition word. It says, secondly. Let's look at the picture. Yummy. Delicious breakfast. And we have, secondly, I have breakfast. Now, another transition word. And let's look at the picture. We have, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next. I run in the park for 35 minutes and take a shower. After that, I start classes at 8. Furthermore, I have lunch. In addition, I start working at 3 p.m. Moreover, I take English lessons at 8 p.m. Besides, I prepare supper after I get home. Finally, I read and go to bed at 11 p.m. Now, it's your turn to develop your own daily routine. First, use the connectors. The point number 2 says, just mention the main activities. And the point number 3, use the simple present. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more content.